Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today we're going to be talking about the EasyToys Vivid Cock Ring. So let's get started. So this is the Vivid Cock Ring itself. Now this cock ring is perfect for beginners. It helps provide a longer lasting erection. It does not only ensure that it will last longer, but also makes your erection feel harder. In the thick part on top, there is a mini bullet vibrator that stimulates the clitoris as well and ensures that your partner can also enjoy the cock ring, so it's perfect for couples or a solo adventure as well. You can also wear the cock ring with the bullet facing down, so you can pleasure yourself that way as well. The bullet vibrator works on ×3 LR41 batteries that are easy to replace when necessary. The bullet vibrator is removable. It's made of a soft silicone material and it's also stretchy to help ensure the perfect fit. To turn on the vibrations, push down, it's a 1-speed vibration. The vibration is also soft, making it perfect for a beginner as well. It's perfect for a stimulating experience. To turn off the vibrations, push the button again and it's now off. When using the Vivid Cock Ring, we would recommend to use a water-based lubricant for extra comfort during use, and of course make sure to clean the cock ring after every use, and for this we would recommend to use a toy cleaner and lukewarm water. Alternatively, you can also use a mild antibacterial soap and lukewarm water as well. And that is the EasyToys Vivid Cock Ring. If you have any questions, drop a comment below and we will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching and we'll see you again next time.